For many students, it's a very huge difficulty to find the answers, because when you're taking certain tests, such as IBD, you know where to look for, you know where exactly to read. But when you're taking the IELTS exam, you don't know even where to start. Where can I find this question? Where can I find that question? That's why we are going to learn about key terms, or certain words or phrases that are written inside the questions. And when you can see these kind of things, they will allow you to find the answer. You can find them very fast and easily inside the passage without wasting lots of time. Important for you, because time is always against us. There are 4 major type of key terms that allow you to find the answers within the reading passage. We're going to work on them today. The first thing that can be very good for you is the words that are written with capital letters. Mostly when we are writing something, we use lowercase letters, but when we use these kind of things, such as special names, specific names, they can be quite easy for you to find them. For example, when you can find a name of a scientist, which is written with capital letters, you can find it, or a name of company. Numbers are quite essential, because when we simply find a number inside the reading passage, we can find the answer to that question really fast. It's like a piece of cake. However, as examiners, we believe we know the basic mathematical operations. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The third key term that mostly you don't know about is hyphenated word or compound words. They are the words that are put together using a hyphen. These words are quite important, and we can sometimes find them exactly without any changes inside the reading passage. Sometimes we cannot. That is why when you see a combination of well hyphen pp, for example, well done, well understood, well covered, this is not a good key term, because it's an adjective. And like all other adjectives, the examiner can simply paraphrase them very easily for you, and that's make it difficult for you to find that exact word inside the passage. Moreover, as examiners, when we use a hyphenated word, and it's a common word, we can simply change it again for you. For example, when you see up-to-dated, do not consider it as a key term, but not list. The words that are put inside quotation marks, they are very good, and these phrases or words are exactly detected inside your reading passage without any changes. Hope you enjoyed it so far. Don't forget to subscribe and like.